Here we have the NG models, United Airlines 737-800. And the new livery. Might as well just take a look at the registration right now, as well as the box. Registration, November 26208. Boeing 737 titles and such. NG logo. United titles. 1 to 400 scale collectible models. Die-cast metal. Another 2D art of the box. Not the box, the aircraft. Now here's the thing. If you look on here, pay attention. Here you have the wings and the engine. Split skim targa protrudes above the fuselage. Well, the top bit of the winglet. And then the engine protrudes a small bit under the fuselage. Okay, turn the box around. It's gone. After unboxing this from its box, which I still have here, yeah, I just noticed while editing that, yeah, the split scimitar is gone. You can see the wing socket, which is interesting. Then you see where the engine would have gone. The thing is, the windows are blocked as well here by the wing, and now they're not blocked, so I find that a little bit interesting, so yeah. Anyways, let's get this unboxed, because yes. There she is, frozen away in the block of ice, never to be seen or opened again, until now. Tink, tink, tink. Anyways. Upper block of ice. A nice sheet plastic thing that you can play with or choke on. I don't know what you do with these sheet plastic things. Here's my first ever United Airlines aircraft. Great is what she is. This is great. It's the 2 models I get, and they're both not broken. Nice. So I'm going to set her down and reassemble the block of ice and insert it back into the box. Actually, which way was this supposed to go? I think like that. Yeah. As we know, filming with an iPad is not very great, so I'm just gonna hold her up close to the camera rather than actually zoom in, because, you know, yeah. Here we have the nose with the cockpit windows, nose cone, Starlines logo, and L1 door. My hand is absolutely crappy with being steady. You have the curved line, the nice thick United titles, the 2 emergency escapes, the wing detail for the slides. Focus, Billion! Focus! Then you got what I believe are like the sentry boxes or whatever these things are over here. Stop focusing. Okay, there. You got antenna detail, as well as Wi-Fi box, which, what is that? I'm gonna completely contradict what I said earlier. Yeah, what's that? I don't know what that thing is. I think that's like the underside of the Wi-Fi box. It's not looking very good. The engines. Nice split scimitars. And you have the rear fuselage area with American flag as well as the registration. November focus. November 26208. Rear door. Horizontal stabilizers, which are attached. Nice. Tail. Which quite nicely fades. from the dark blue towards the United/Continental globe into the lighter blue. Though, it actually does kind of happen in phases from what's going on the tail. Ah, crap. Not the garbage, people. Come on. Anyways. Underside detail. Rolling gear. Yep. 2 antennas which are red on here. Nice. So, yeah. Now that's done. Thank you all for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more aviation content. And I will see you all later. Goodbye.